Welcome back with Cooking with MG. Today we'll be making tinga. These will be your ingredients. First things first, boil your chicken with a slice of onion, pinch of salt at medium heat. After 45 to 60 minutes, take your chicken out of the boiling water. Do not get rid of your caldo. Next, chop a whole white onion. To your blender, add 1 can of chipotle sauce. Add garlic. Add a spoonful of chicken bouillon. And of course, add your chicken broth. Blend, blend, blend. Don't forget to shred your chicken. On a hot pan, add your oil. Then add your shredded chicken. Then cook for 5 minutes on medium to high heat. On another pan, add your onion slices. Then cover your onion slices with chicken broth. Let the onions simmer on medium heat till soft. While they're simmering, chop your lettuce. Your onion should look like this, and make sure your chicken broth has evaporated. Then add your shredded chicken. Combine your onion and chicken. Once everything's combined, add your chipotle. Mix all of your ingredients. Once everything's combined, let it simmer till it bubbles. The sous chef is taking a little break. Finally, it's time to assemble your tostadas. Add crema first. You can always skip this step or add refried beans instead. Then add your delicious tinga. Add more sour cream or not. Then add your lettuce. And don't forget to add your queso fresco. You can also add more salsa, maybe salsa verde. It's up to you, but I like extra sour cream and extra queso fresco. Then voila, you have this beautiful plate of tinga. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to add me on TikTok, subscribe to this channel, subscribe to our other channel, The Life of Gomez, and join me in another video. Thank you. Bye.